Hi everybody, today we are doing a comparison between these two beautiful bags. If you guys watched my unboxing, you would have seen that I got my Kelly 25 gold on gold Epsom leather Cellier this January 2024. And then this is my Togo Birkin 25, also gold on gold. And today we're just going to do a comparison between both bags. I have brought a tape measure so we can measure both bags. 9 3/4, and these are in inches. This is the only tape measure I could find. And 7 1/4 above, and width from the base is 3 3/4. At the top it is 1 3/4. The strap drop is 3.5 inches, and the Birkin 25 is also 10 inches, a little bit smaller than 10 inches. Height is 8 inches, and depth is, whoa, 5.5 inches. The handle drop is 2.5 inches, and this one is 3.5. So there's a 1 inch give between both bags. And like I said, leather on this one is Togo and leather on this one is Epsom. As you can see, the graining on the Togo is just more prominent and bigger. On Epsom, it's smaller and less refined. I don't know if that's the right word, but that is what it looks like up close. Sides, back, side, both have 4 feet at the bottom. The Kelly does not have this reinforcement right here, but because this is super structured, I'm pretty sure there is some reinforcement at the bottom. The main differences are the straps. The Kelly has the shoulder strap that's detachable but not adjustable. The Birkin only has the 2 top handles because it is a tote style bag. Capacity wise, the Birkin fits way more than the Kelly will fit. And also I've noticed this is my Epsom leather. Besides my Constance, besides the Constance, I don't have anything else in Epsom. Oh, also my Calbys are also in Epsom. And I just find that I have to always keep checking on this leather wise versus the Togo. I just know that it can withstand every and anything. Like, it's just, the Togo is just really, really good. I love the Togo. It's so beautiful, and both have the contrast white stitching. So cute. Weight wise, the Birkin does weigh a little bit more. Even with the strap of the Kelly, I just know for a fact that ease of use for the Kelly is much better than the Birkin, because if you will see in my previous comparison between the Kelly Retourné and the Birkin 25, you know that just you only have the top handle and a little bit on the crook of on the wrist, maybe like mid wrist, to carry your Birkin. Everything else would need to be just like handheld. With my personal lifestyle, I just I can't not have my hands free, just because I still have young children that I need to hold their hands. I tried to wear my Birkin 25 to the mall the other day with my daughter and the stroller, and I just felt like I had to either put it on the stroller or put it in my crook of my arm and then just push the stroller with one hand, and it was just not very functional, at least for me specifically. I understand that it's like a case-to-case scenario basis. I've worn both of my Kelly and my Birkin to not this specific one, but to dinners, date nights, fancy occasions. I would not bring both to like a gala where I need to wear like a ball gown or whatever, but to just a dinner night out, girls day, girls night type thing, then yes, I would still wear both bags and they would still go really well with my outfits. I don't find that they're too casual in any way with either leathers. I do tend to sometimes wear it this way as well, but just not now, just because the weather where I'm at is pretty crazy. So I do close my bags up. And also I love playing with the twillies. It's so cute. This twilly is super cute. Anyways, but yeah, so when I am out and about, this is how I close my bag. So I would have it on my shoulder, and say I'm just standing, I would prop one leg up and go like that, and then either just wear it this way, or as you guys saw, I close it up like that. I don't twist it because that's unnecessary, but I do it up like that. I am very much so a Kelly girl. Kelly's all the way. Just the functionality of it. It looks more tailored and put together when I'm wearing my suits, like my matching sets, my trousers and blazer. And I love wearing blazers, and I feel personally, style wise, the Kelly with the blazer just looks chef's kiss. So beautiful. But I'm just gonna grab a few items and let's just see, for the fun of it, everything that would fit in a Kelly, because everything that will fit in here was most definitely fit in the Birkin and then some. So I'm just gonna set aside the Birkin and have all these things in here. People say like, oh, it's so annoying with the Kelly. I get it. Now I get it. Because with the retourne, it's not really annoying or frustrating having to, you know, open and close it, just because, again, like I said, it's super pliable. Kelly, for whatever reason, gets a lot of like white stuff on it, and I'm pretty sure I saw a video, I don't recall who posted the video, about because of the type of leather that it is, it's like the fat from the skin just oozing out, and I don't know if that's comforting or just gross to know. But oops, I saw in somebody's video talking about something like that. So anywho, I brought diapers, two card holders, and then I would use this as like a makeup pouch, and then a scarf, and then on top of what I already had existing in there. So let's just go biggest. I will put 2 diapers in here. And again, you can substitute the diaper for whatever else you would put in your own bag. This is just personally what I would put in mine. My actual card holder, which is my Chanel card holder. And then I have this Gucci wallet I will put as well, and another card holder. Okay, I have business cards, a pack of gum, and my receipt. I will throw that in the back. Okay, and then just my key fob, and that all still fits inside. A hair tie, throw on the top, and then I think a scarf will fit on the top if you wanted to. Yes, that will still close. I personally don't want to stretch it, so if you wanted to stretch it, you could. Move everything into the Birkin, which, like I said, it's all gonna fit. I also have the raincoat in this Birkin, and yes, the rumors are true. The new quota bags are not getting the raincoat any longer. This is how everything looks inside. Still plenty of space, and then you throw the scarf on top, and yes, it looks bulky, but it's not really. So pretty. Now let's do some mod shots. Close up of the leather. You can see the graining on the Togo compared to the Epsom. Hardware size is about the same. I am 5 foot, size 14-16, and I just ate, so don't judge. That's on the crook of the arm. Both. And the Kelly on the shoulder strap, which is my favorite way of wearing her. It's just super comfortable and polished and put together, yet so relaxed and chill, and I just love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please subscribe. I will leave all my socials down below. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next time. I hope this video was helpful. Bye guys!